Okay, guys, ready kayo? Ready kayo? Okay, ready tayo i-connecting nyo. I laban of imbued with a deep sense of responsibility, foundation, Republic of the Philippines. So help me God.
Ready!
So help me God.